How can a single ship sink itself and transport massive offshore oil platforms? This ship is capable of submerging completely underwater, and when it rises back to the surface, it can carry an entire drilling platform. But how is that possible? It is a semi-submersible heavy-lift transport ship, specially designed to carry enormous structures. At the center of the vessel is a huge open deck measuring up to 183 meters, 600 feet long, with more than 8,700 square meters, 93,600 square feet of deck area. At the stern are two massive stability towers. When the ship submerges, these towers help keep the vessel balanced. Inside the hull are numerous ballast tanks. Whenever the ship needs to sink, powerful pumps fill these tanks with seawater, gradually increasing the vessel's weight until it begins to submerge. This entire process takes several hours and is usually carried out at night so that the main loading operation can take place during daylight. The flow of seawater into the ballast tanks is carefully controlled and constantly monitored to prevent the ship from becoming unbalanced, listing, or even capsizing. The vessel is powered by four four-stroke diesel engines. Since much of the interior space is occupied by ballast tanks, the engines cannot be connected directly to the propellers. Instead, they operate as electrical generators, supplying power to electric motors that drive the propellers. In addition to its main propellers, the ship is equipped with several side thrusters, allowing it to move sideways with exceptional precision during maneuvering. But how does it transport an oil platform? Semi-submersible platforms normally float because their large pontoons are filled with air. Before transport, the water inside these pontoons is removed, increasing the platform's buoyancy. Next, tugboats slowly guide the platform onto the ship's deck, which is already partially submerged. Throughout the operation, steel cables keep the platform perfectly aligned, because even a small positioning error could result in a serious collision. For this reason, this stage is performed during the day, when visibility is at its best. Once the platform is correctly positioned, the ship begins pumping water out of its ballast tanks and slowly rises until the deck comes into contact with the platform structure. After the entire deck emerges from the water, workers install support structures and weld the platform securely in place. Once it has been firmly secured, the platform can be transported to its destination. Using the same procedure, the ship can even load a second platform, allowing it to carry two giant structures in a single voyage. Upon reaching its destination, the entire process is reversed. The ship fills its ballast tanks with seawater once again, slowly submerges to the required depth, and the platform regains its buoyancy, allowing it to float free.